अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। मैं न्यू हेयर इमेज वालों के पास आया। आई वॉज सो मच वरीड अबाउट माई हेयर प्रॉब्लम एंड दे आर वन ऑफ द बेस्ट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर्स इन पाकिस्तान, not only in Lahore but in all over Pakistan, and I am truly satisfied with their services. They are really gem. They are very professionals and they totally changed my look, and I'm feeling 20 years younger than my original age. I'm very happy and I will recommend everyone to visit here and get the solution as they recommended. They are very honest and professional people. Thank you.